This is the most legitimate source we've heard say they believe in Bigfoot in a while. Well, in Yetis specifically. A geneticist from the acclaimed University of Oxford in England says he has proof. Professor Brian Sykes did DNA testing on hairs from two unidentified animals, one found in the Himalayas, one in northern India, then compared the results to other animals. One of the hairs was from a beast shot by a hunter 40 years ago. The hunter was so taken aback by the unusual animal that he held on to some of its remains. The other hair was found in a forest by filmmakers a decade ago. What Sykes found was a 100% match to a sample from an ancient polar bear jawbone found in Norway, a specimen that might date back as far as 120,000 years ago. So what does that mean? Sykes says at the time, bears were separating into two different species, the polar bear and the brown bear. He thinks this unidentified animal is a cross between the two, still living in the Himalayas. It is the Yeti. The fact that the hunter, who had great experience of bears, he says, thought this one was in some way unusual and was frightened of it, makes me wonder if this species of bear might behave differently. Maybe it is more aggressive, more dangerous, or is more bipedal than other bears. And polar bears and brown bears have been known to interbreed. Of course, legends of Bigfoot, Yeti, and Sasquatches have permeated culture for years, with alleged video and photographic evidence turning the creatures into the stuff of legends. More on Sykes' findings will air in a documentary on Channel 4 in the UK Sunday. For Newsy, I'm Lauren Zima.